Hello everybody, this is David from Real Hardware Reviews, and today we're going to do the unboxing of the Google Pixel 2. So, let's look what's inside this box. The box looks pretty standard from Google, nothing too fancy. It's pretty big actually compared to regular iPhone boxes. So let's crack her open and see what we find inside. Okay, first things first, what you see and greeted from is the phone itself, and we'll take that out one quick second. We'll figure out what's happening with that later. Inside the box itself, we have nothing much really. Instruction set, regular USB to USB Type-C adapter. Underneath this, you'll find a USB Type-C cable, and of course, the actual power adapter. Power adapter is a USB Type-C to Type-C, so you gotta make sure you have the right cable for it to charge. Inside the instruction set, we can figure out what's in here as well, and we have SIM card tool and your typical instruction set for your phone. Let's have a quick look at the phone while we're at it. Looks like it's already turned on. Here it is. This is the regular Pixel 2, not the XL. And we're pretty much ready to go. This is pretty much it for the unboxing of the Pixel 2. I want to give out a big thanks to Tom Harris for allowing us to do these unboxing reviews. And this is David from Real Hardware Reviews, signing out.